Nag-iba na ulit yung interface ko eh. Oh! It has been delivered. My echoes has been delivered. Wait lang. Pause. Okay, tapos na. Tapos na akong bumili.
We now have a pink gun. Hey.
I mean, di ko pa nabibili. Tapos na akong mag-recharge.
Okay. Pink gun.
Kunin ko ba si Mary? Ayoko kasi si Mary. Gusto si Ivy eh.
Sige, pwede naman.
Wala, meron na akong dalawa eh.
Okay. Lantern.
Wait lang. 1 hour sa pag-isipan ko.
Okay.
Okay.
Ano public map?
Public map.
Yeah.
Yes, sure.
Okay. Mag-enjoy ka dito.
Wait lang, ina, bakit ganito yung itsura ko?
Wala kang gun.
Saan ba si ano? Puro collabs tayo gusto mo?
Collabs? Puro collabs na. Si Ivy, si Junko, si Tommy, tapos yung dalawang... Sino to?
Jungko? Ay, si Tomie ba? Anin mo?
Hindi. Yung mga character selection ko, si Junko, si Tommy, tapos si Shin Sang-shu and si Yu Guang.
Yan. Puro collabs tayo yung mga quick switch natin. Sino pa? Sino pa anin mo?
Ivy.
Si Ivy, syempre. Si Gary na ako dyan.
Okay. Enter na.
Hindi pa. Yung quick switch, yung ibang quick switch natin. Ibang collabs natin. Ano bang gusto mong collab?
Well, meron ako isang Danganronpa, which is si Junko Enoshima.
May Little Nightmares ba tayo?
I think ikaw lang yun. Ay, hindi meron pala si Axboy.
Si Axboy, meron pa. Ano yun ko na lang si 6.
Eh,
Sino pa? Collab. Meron pa akong
meron ba yung Sexholic?
Ha?
Sexholic. Ay, hindi. Pwede din pala si Kim or si Edward. Kasi horror din. Horror ba yun?
Eh, ako lang meron doon, di ba?
Oh, that's true.
Oh, that's Hindi, sige, iba na lang. Gusto mo, ano eh. Sino ba? Sino pa horror? Angel's Death, meron ba? O isa lang?
Wala tayo na kumalisa.
Sa ano, XX-holic.
Pwede naman.
Di ba si Little Girl nakuha mo?
Pwede ko siyang ipag-palit na lang. Kay Junko.
Last one. Sino pang collab?
Sino mo ang horror dito?
Gusto mo, Promise Neverland?
Wala.
Ay, wala ka pala na, no?
Wala. Alam mo?
Ano ba yung pinaka-horror-esque dito?
Junji Ito.
Wala kasi ang Junji ito eh. Di ko rin kasi binili kasi ang pangit eh.
Ay, ganun orso ni ano eh.
Pangit kasi, Diyos ko.
Si Tommy. Okay na.
At sige, si ano na lang ako, Edward.
Sige. Ano gagawin ko dito sa sila?
Ay, di, dalawa na yung Reaper ko eh. Si Kim na lang ako.
Sige, oo.
Kim Kardashian. Where are you, Kim?
Ano pa palit ko kay Chen sa lubwang? Ano gagawin ko sa dalawang lalaki to?
Eh di, ha?
Sa link.
Tatlo lang ba yung horror mo?
Wait lang. Ay, hindi mo yun pala si Axboy. Teka lang. Mag-ayos ko. Little Nightmare. Ayos. Okay, sige. Very nice. Okay, ready ka na?
Not yet.
Ha? Yes, okay, let's go. May 8 seconds pa na ba yan?
Okay, sige, go. Pwede na. Let's go.
Have fun, sis.
Have fun. Kasama kita, di ba?
Oo. Pero yung sa makikita mo na lang siya. Pag-i-enjoy ka talaga. Pero may saglit lang din mga 5 minutes matatapos mo yun. Pwede.
Oh, it's so good. Oh my god. The nostalgia is hitting me, man. Those pixelated art is so gorgeous. Hey, yo, where are you?
Hi.
Hello.
Lantern.
Okay, let's go. Saan tayo?
So, ito, picturean mo to.
Oh, picturean?
Oo. Kasi sa mga task yan eh.
Okay. How do I picture to task?
May perspective din ata dito sa camera. So, gamitin yung camera mo.
Aha. Camera. Ito. Okay.
Perspective. Perspective. Tayong camera.
Naayos ko pa, girl.
Wala. Nag-date lang naman ako dito eh. Wala, nasa part 2 pa rin ako ni Mandy. Gusto date.
Hindi ko alam kung mapapanood ko pa yung...
Kapanood mo yan. Tiwala lang.
Tiwala lang. Positive thinking. Man, permissions fine.
Si Ivy naglalakad lang.
Okay, reconnecting to server. Naka 1 hour na ako sa screen record ko. Okay, photo task, submit. Get my album, sure. Oh, I got the what?
Furniture ba?
Yes, let's go. Saan ba tayo? Yung mannequin. Sabi ng mannequin.
Gusto mo na ang gudong din?
Oh, nalalag ako.
Naglalag.
Oh, help me, Lord.
I'm very dito.
Yes.
Dami emotes ni journalist.
Sana all, maraming emotes.
Oh, shalalala.
Shalalala.
Wow!
Dami emotes ni Mary.
Ano yung susunod? Ito ba yung furniture? Nasa shop?
Ay, sinusundan ako ni Mary. Wait!
Kala ko ikaw yun. Asa ka na?
Ano, may kasama ko Mary sa likod.
Ay, ako pala.
Diba? Just two girls. Mary in canon. Halika tayo, samahan mo kami.
Okay.
Mary canon indeed. Ito, picture mo yung portrait na to.
Picturean ko? Okay.
Wala ako masyadong emotes eh. Ako tingin lang sa... Galing ko lang tignan yung Mary.
Wala nga yung masyadong emotes.
Ang emotes ni Hanan.
Cute. Buti yan, screen record ko to. Okay, saan ko yan? Ay, itong photo task kay coordinator. Yay! Abyss of the Deep. What the hell? Okay, ano sunod? Coordinator.
Go inside this portrait.
Ha? Ano? Ivy, come here. Look around. Oh. Where am I? Hindi kita makikita. What is this place? I was just visiting the gallery. Find the blue key. Oh, I'm journalist. I mean, Ivy.
Okay, sinasamahan na ako ng Mary.
Oh, yung portrait. Okay, explore.
Sinasamahan na ako ng Mary. How Mary in canon.
Hala, baka saksakin. Ay.
Hello, wag naman.
Ooh. Oh my god, this is so good. They did this so good. Find the cookie. Thinking of spider, butterfly, bee, ladybug, edge, caution, edge. Oh, what happened? Oh, bakit nagdadapa si Ivy? A green key. I got a green key. Yeah. Hi, Mary. Hi, si Mary. Ah. I'm Mary, and you are? Tell her your name. Ivy. I'm Ivy. You're Ivy, right? So Ivy, do you know how to read? Tell her what happened. I see. Me too. I heard there's a fun game at a place called Oletus Manor. It's a game where hunters chase survivors like hide and seek. The winner gets an awesome reward. Sounds fun, right? If you want to visit the Oletus Manor, we need to live here first. Mary seems excited about this hide and seek game at the Oletus Manor. Let's search for an exit with her right now. Very canon. Yeah. You found it. There's a reward for you. Yellow key. I found a yellow key. Ah! Nagapa ako. I touch everything eh. Yes. Ala, lumipad ako. Yes. Wala? Naging blue na ako. Culinary craft. Alright, let's leave this area. Let's zoom. Ah. Tasty. Oh, Gary, why are you down there? Someone's lying over there. Where am I? Who are you, Gary? Tell Gary everything that's happened so far. I remember I was on an art exhibition at the manor, then everything went black. What happened? Manor? You mean Oletus Manor? Huh? Oletus Manor? They're holding a Gwertana art exhibit there. We're trying to go to the Oletus Manor too, so we're looking for a way out of here. Live here? Come to think of it, I still don't understand where we are. Gary, why don't you help us look for an exit? We can all visit the Oletus Manor together. Alright, this place is creepy. I want to get out of here as soon as possible. Let's do it, the three of us together. Yeah, let's do it together. Gary, seems like Gary wants to go back to the Manor's exhibition as well. We have decided to search for an exit together. Okay. Woman on the canvas. If they spot you, they'll chase you to the ends of the world. This book says the painting here will chase us. It's hard to believe, Ivy. Are you good at running? Depends. You don't sound confident. What about Mary? If it's a hide-and-seek game, I like it. What about you, Gary? Huh? Me? Well, rather than running and hiding, I'd probably prefer being the one chasing from behind. What the hell? That. Now's not the time for this. Alright, this book also says the lady and the woman on canvas can't open doors. If we run into this painting, we should hide in another room. Alright, bet. What you looking at, Mary? You're looking at the sculpture. Alright, bet. Investigate. Lady in red. Inspect. Something fell off the frame. Red key. Ah. The painting moved. Ivy, run! Why? Evade the lady in the red. Where is it? Oh! Nagulat ako. I am not surviving this horror game, no? Tinanong ko pa naman, nasa yung lady in the red na wala na. Nasa baba nag-spawn kill sa akin. Wala naman binabasa si Gary. Girl, wala naman binabasa itong lalaking to. Nandiyan ka ba ba? Nasaan ka na ba?
Diyan lang ako.
Okay, investigate ko ulit kasi namatay ako. Lady in red. Ako lang ata yung taong namatay dito. Samantalang yung iba, di man na nakita yung lady in red, basta tumakbo na lang. Wala akong survival instinct, bro.
Nagulat na ako, sabi ko, takbo sa lady in red. Tapos niya,
Namatay ka din?
Hindi, tumakbo ko kagad kasi bigla ako nagulat. Saan ako tatakbo? Nagsabi ko sa sarili ko.
Ako talaga, sabi ko na saan, nakatayo pa ako dun. Ayun na lang, astig tingnan.
Tumakbo ko kagad pero nagtataka Ako saan. Tapos pagdatingin ka sa likod, meron andun na.
The painting actually moved. Are you both okay? Shakes head. Very, very good idea. Awesome. Let's start by searching this room. Whoa, Gary. Gary. Observe. Our tea will only pour into cups of the same color. Nani? Nani, sorry. Okay, that's fine. Of the same color. Dun. Dun. Ah! Astig naman ng minigame na to.
Diba?
Yeah, let's go. Yeah, let's go.
Yeah, let's go.
Let's go, boy. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Let's go.
Uy, mali, pinindot ko, Diyos ko. Let's go. Let's go.
Let's go. You can do this. You can do this. You can do this.
Wait, nagka-problema ako. Find the gray key. I'm trying. I'm trying. Go! Jesus Christ. It's not common sense. What the fuck you got? Oi! Kung nagkamali ako wait lang.
Okay, tawag kay finish din sa pangalan nila. Bakit sila isang peptide? No peptide? Yung peptide ba yun? No.
Wait lang. I have an idea, but the idea is
Parang 10 minutes pala yan. Gano'n ko. Kung natagalan din nata ako sa T-Caps eh.
I got it. Trust the process. I do not trust the process. Kamot ulo.
Wala sa final door ka na, nakatakot yun eh.
Bakit ba? Push. Nag-reconnect ako. No. What happened? What happened?
Sama. Nasa free mode naman ako sa ano. Let's go!
Yeah. Nire-connect ako Sam, tapos iniba yung positions ng teacups ko. Pagkabalik ko, iba na yung positions ng teacups ko ah.
Reset out.
I finished it. I finished it.
Yay! Andun ka na ata sa last room eh. Sinasamahan kita.
Do I go to the next one now?
Yay!
Why is there a butt cat painting over there? Something seems to be sticking out of the frame. Of course! It's an ass of a cat. Half cat. Fat ass cat. The big guy, it's gone. Which big guy? Turn on the lamp. Oh. I didn't mean to do that for you, but sure, read the newspaper, lady in the painting. Uy, inunahan ako pumasok. Bangya kayong dalawa. Find the violet key or the brown key. What the hell? What the hell? Kahit kaninong room ba?
Kahit anong room, pwede dyan. Nabuksan ko dyan kay Mary.
Si Gary ako.
Sige, hanapin mo.
Oh, the dolls. Unsettling doll.
Very creepy.
Unsettling doll. Nakaka-traumatize na. Red eyes.
The ice Chico, they never lie.
The eyes ko, they never lie. Ako sa kabila. Oh, I'm lagging.
So many bunnies.
Rabbit doll. Rabbit doll. Rabbit doll. Inspect. Rabbit doll. Naano ko yung brown key kay Mary.
Huh?
Wait, can I get? Ako pa hanapin yung doll dito. Gary, where is it? Red eye. Ano ako hanapin yung doll?
Wala akong mahanap din kay Gary.
Wait lang. That's a great detail to put on smoke. Why? Meron bang ibang nahanap yung players? Habulin mo ba ulit ako? Nahanap bang players yung ano?
Baka may nahanap nila yung kay Gary. Hindi lang natin mahanap. Sabi naman kasi brown tea or ano eh, violet tea. Yung ano. Where is it? Where is the other choice? Is it just an illusion? Can
Wala na hanap yung ibang tao?
Wala. Yung iba ata nahanap, pero hindi ko sure kung saan.
Sige nga.
Tapos sa public pa, nag-charge na kasi ako kasi mga 30% na ng ating phone ko yan eh.
Putang ina, nagdapa ako. Sige nga, try mo nga ano, i-search kung meron.
Okay. I then ID public. ID. Wala.
Wala?
Hindi ko nakikita. Ano?
Okay, balik na ako. Sige, abulin mo ako. Sige. Sige, makakasapak ka sa akin.
So, how was the tour?
Great, really nice. Simple but effective.
Yeah. Kala ko nga din hanggang dito na tapos nagulat ako. Pagka-touch ko, bigla napunta ako sa Ivy. Hindi ko naman sila parang, Kasi si Ivy nga ako eh. Yung pagkapasok ko, sabi ko, wow, Ivy ko nakikita dito. Si Ivy pala yan.
Ivy pala yun.
Di pala yung ano ko. The journalist. Anyways. Buti nga dahil nga, although mas nauna si journalist ba? Tama ba? Kasi kay Little Girl, binili ko kasi si Little Girl yung mas flavor dito. So, nakasama din si journalist. Kasi mag-pairs lang naman sila eh.
Huh? Bakit ganun? Brown key pero mukhang purple dito sa picture. Dito po
Hindi ko
ay
din din siya eh.
Ganun siya. O sige na. Open sesame. Let's go. Hindi na naman ako. The ice chico, they don't lie.
The ice chico. Okay. Gusto mo talaga maranasan yung Duo Hunters?
Oo. Duwa hunters naman. Ay, bukas na yung pituan dito ah. Okay, let's go. Let's get. What a huge painting. This big fish looks kind of familiar. Maybe this painting is the exit. No, nothing. Touch. Linkage map unlocked. You can now explore. Wow, thanks. Hi, I'm here. Nasaan ka? Ano ka?
Dito lang.
Sa?
Sa harapan ng portrait.
Ah, sarap ng portrait.
Oh,
I just touched the painting again. Sige, wait, lalabas na ako sa painting. Teka lang. Simple lang siya, no? Pero...
Yan pala napunta lahat ng ng budget ng museo sa game na yan. Kaya ko kasi hanggang dito lang tapos nakita ko may nasa likod pa. Wow! Tapos biglang kami pinagawa sa atin. Hey! Panis! Hey! Okay, so be wary sa pangyayari sa Duo Hunters. Nag-enjoy ka na, Tena?
Yes.
Yes. Let's go. Kasi ka lang